Hi, my name is Twila Davis, and today I'm going to show you how to make a triple cube card. It's a fun 3D card. Kind of easy, pretty easy to make if you know a few of the tricks. Okay, so let's get started and let me tell you what you're going to need to make it. You're going to need a piece of cardstock for your main color, and I'm using mint macaron and early espresso for my coordinating cardstock. You're going to need a scrap piece of white and some printed paper. So we're going to use designer paper from Stampin' Up! Ornate Garden, and then also some pieces of coordinating DSP, and I'm using some of the in-color paper for that. Okay. And everything I'm using today is going to be from Stampin' Up! The first thing you're going to do is using a scoreboard and your main color paper on your short side, you're going to score at 2, 4, 6, and 8. So this could also be called a 2, 4, 6, 8 triple cube card, I guess. Okay, after you've got that done, then that's all you need the scoreboard for. And then I've already got my pieces cut, so you're going to need on the long side then, okay, you're going to need to cut 2 pieces that are 2 inches and one that is 4 inches. Okay, you're going to have one little score that is a 1/2 inch, so we're going to cut the ends off of that into triangles. We're going to do that on all 3 of the pieces. Okay, then you're going to score all these. Or not score, you're going to fold all your scores. Sorry, I think I'm bouncing a little bit. My camera's not hooked down very well today. Okay, so we've got that. Then we're going to use some adhesive. You could use like some sticky strip, but I'm going to use mono glue, liquid glue. And you're just going to put some glue on these little pieces, on your little. I find that it's easier if you lay it down flat to attach it instead of trying to hold it up like this and attach it. Okay? It makes them meet a lot easier. Now this card is a pretty fun card where you could also add some die cuts maybe to make it pop up a little bit more. We're just going to do the basic card though today, so it won't take so long, and you kind of do what you want to finish it off. Okay. The reason you don't want to just use regular adhesive, since it's a 3D item, it might not stay as well. Okay, so the next step is you're going to put the basic card together. When I'm doing them, I like to have this little flap to the, to the front. Let me see, like this, so it doesn't show in the back. Okay, so you're going to lay that down. These 2 are going to go on top of that, and I like to have these where you your flaps, okay, I like to have them like this. So you lay it like down on top, and I think it's easier. If you want to, you can put an X on it like I showed in my paper tutorial. That way may be easier in case they get moved around on you. So you're just going to put adhesive or glue on that bottom part. You're going to lay it down on top. You don't want to put it on the fold. You're going to lay it up to the fold, okay? This one goes over here. I think it is a little bit easier if you put an X on it. You're not going to see the X, so it might just help you, okay? This is your basic card here. Make sure you get that done good, okay? So here we go like this, okay? Next step is you're going to need 6 1 3/4 squares cut out of your coordinating cardstock, and then 6 1 1/2 squares of your DSP. You're going to glue those down. When I'm making stuff, I try to do like in halves and 3/4 and 4ths instead of 7/8 and 5/8 and 3/8. It's a lot easier. I think I've only got maybe 1 or 2 things that's like that today. Love the ornate garden paper, specialty paper. Oh, it's so pretty. Love the daisies. Now you could use probably regular snail for this part. Okay, after you get those done, then you're going to lay your card flat. Flip these over. And again, you could probably use snail for this too. And then these are going to go in the middle of each of these squares. I don't want to put that one here. This one here. I try to kind of maybe, if there's white in it, I don't want it to all be in the same corner. Kind of rotate them around so they're not. Goes together pretty quickly. I've done them a couple of times, so there's a couple of tricks also when you're doing them that I'll share with you. Okay, so we've got that done. Okay, like this. Then you're going to need 4 1 3/4 inch squares with your coordinating DSP. 2 of those are going to go up here, and if you put your hand up in here, you can kind of hold that. These are just going to go in the very back. If you wanted to make them longer and have them go all the way down, you could, but you're really only going to just see the very top of that. Here's your other one. Stick your hand up in there. Okay, here's your back. Okay, then you need, let's see, 2 1/2 by 1 3/4 inch white ones. You're going to cut those. You're going to fold those in half like a V, okay? And you're going to glue those. Put glue on one side. If you take this and you fold it like this, okay, they go on very easily. So that lines up kind of with the end of your card, your fold, okay, in the middle. And do that to your other one. Okay, these other 2 pieces of your designer paper are going to go in here and hide that little white, the rest of your other V. Okay, so it just kind of cleans it up a little bit. If you just fold it around, it's a lot easier than fold it flat a lot. You can get in there and get what you need to do. Okay, only thing left now is your sentiment, and we are using the Happy Birthday from Stampin' Up's Timeless Tulips and Early Espresso ink, and we're going to stamp on a strip of white that's 5/8 by 2 inches. And we're going to put it on a piece of the Early Espresso, and it is cut at, let's see, 7/8 by 2 1/4. Put that on there. We are almost done, guys. Goes here. Now, an easy way to put that on, so you fold this, get this folded like this, okay? Put your glue on here. You don't want to put your glue on here because it's going to be a bigger, that would be a bigger area. So you're going to put glue on here. If you flip this over, and you want to make sure you don't have that upside down, but if you flip it over, you can kind of see a lot easier where that goes. That, and you are done with your triple cube card. Happy birthday. And I've got that little smear, but you get the idea. So I can't wait to see the triple cube card that you guys make. Have a great day. Bye.